Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. These are POW MIA bracelets. These were popular back during the Vietnam War. I always wanted one, but it never was in the cards or the money for me to get one. And a friend of my sister's had one. She'd always let me see it and wear it whenever she was around. But she got ready to leave, she'd always ask for it back. And I'd give it to her begrudgingly, but I'd give it to her. She was nice all the way through. But what it is, they had different individuals' names. It might be prisoner of war, they might be missing in action, which happened quite a bit over there in some areas. These brave men had to fight. But I just, always like these things just for how they remembered those guys. Even though the Vietnam veterans did not get a nice welcome back home, they went and did their duty with honor, and they deserved a welcome home. Whenever I see a veteran now, a lot of times they'll wear a Vietnam veteran's hat or some sort, and I always thank them for their service and welcome them home. And if I'm in a bar, I'll buy them a beer too. And but you don't see these things much anymore. I found some on eBay, and I'm trying to buy one. Just I'll wear it, and just for the memory of it. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.